Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowing an Angel. Oh my god. Welcome once again to my channel, Sweet Cutie Patooties. Well, today I'm super excited because I'm gonna get to play first time ever with a palette from Jeffree Star. And yes, I'm gonna be playing with the Jawbreaker palette. And let me tell you, honey, I heard this palette is a hit. Beautiful she is. Oh, I love the color, very holographic. And also I'm gonna be using the Morphe X Jeffree Star, their brush collection. I am super excited. They came out in a lot of paper wrap and all that, but I take all that up already so we can save some time. But look at this little makeup bag, it's so cute. Super beautiful brushes. I heard this one is for foundations and creams. This one is for powders. This one is for concealers. We have a highlighter brush and couple eyeshadow brushes, and we have a beautiful brow brush. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills for my brows. I didn't film that because I wanted to save a little time, but okay, let's say no more and let's go straight up to the fun. So let's see what's up. So I'm gonna start with the Brain Freeze color. Oh my. Oh, she is powdery, honey. Oh! Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna pat it in there. That's kind of what I like to do, like pat it where I want the color to be or to go. And then I start blending. Wow, that color is so beautiful. OMG. Looks like pure sky, honey, pure sky. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna use this beautiful color, it's called Gun Drop. Ooh. And I'm gonna put that around this area over here. Loves it. I'm loving it. Oh my god, I love the colors. They're very powdery though, I'm not gonna lie. Oh! But I guess that's cute, right? Oh, that's good. Powdery. Wow, those colors are literally so gorgeous. Alright, cutie, so now I'm gonna do a little cut crease. I'm thinking I'm gonna take a lot of these. Okay, so let's do that. Alright, beautifuls, as you can see, I did a very thick, oh my god, cat crease. Oh, okay, now I'm gonna be using the Lemon Drop color, this beautiful shimmery yellow. I'm gonna put around this area over here. Oh, okay, let's hope that works. Ooh, that yellow is popping and dropping, honey. Okay, now I'm gonna be using the orange juice. Oh my god, you might be thinking like, orange? Yes, honey. Oh. Might as well, let's cocktail it out. Oh! Ooh. Alright, cutie patooties. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this Jawbreaker. I think this is kind of like a highlighter. I'm gonna use a little bit of that around over here. Alright, cuties, so before I'm done with the look for my eyes and do the lashes and that stuff, I'm gonna be using my foundation, and I'm gonna be using a new one. I believe I got this one on my Ipsy box. It's by Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. is this one. It looks super cute. I tried it up in my skin and it seems like it's a good fit. So we're gonna see how that's gonna fit on my skin. Let's try it out. And I love it because it comes with this little thing, like this. It looks almost like it's for the lips. Oh, and I already put some primer, and the primer I use by Seattle, London. I use this primer on my face, which is amazing. I got it on my, either my Baxi Charm or my Ipsy Bax, one of those. So I'm gonna be putting the foundation. Well, I don't really use brushes for foundation, but let's see. Ooh. I love it. Oh! Is that my color or what? Oh! Well, I think it matched okay. What do you guys think? Well, the brush was super cute. I love the brush. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, and this foundation seems to work okay. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eye by, of course, my favorite, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'll be back, cuties, to do... Well, I'm probably gonna do my lashes too, okay? So I'm gonna do all at once. My lashes by Ruby Made. Ooh, look at these ones. Well, I just did my lashes and they're looking amazing. I'm gonna put a little bit of setting powder. And then finish the look with my lipstick, my blush, and highlighter, honey. Okay, cuties, now I'm gonna finish my lips. I'm gonna use this lipstick by Dose of Colors. It's a nude. This lip pencil from ColourPop. Alright, so I'll be back with the final look. Muah. Alright, beautiful, just like that, I'm done with the look, and let me tell you, it came out so beautiful. I love every single thing. The lashes, oh my god, these lashes are so beautiful. Ooh. Well, everything worked out so perfect. I love the palette. It was very easy palette to work with. See you soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And knowing an angel. Ooh.